Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Kapacitor package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it by downloading the latest release via the following command. Then install it by running the command below. Run the following command if you are facing a dependencies issue. Start and enable Kapacitor with the next commands. Verify the status with the following command. You can verify the version with the next command. Check the configuration file by running next command. Run the following command to generate a new configuration file. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.